Welcome back to Apple Insider. Today, we're diving into the iPhone 16 Pro Max, Apple's newest flagship that promises to push the boundaries of design, performance, and innovation. If you've been waiting to see whether this is the phone worth upgrading to, you're in the right place. Let's break it down, point by point, and see if the iPhone 16 Pro Max truly lives up to the hype. Number 1. Design and build quality. Apple has always been about refining details, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max is no exception. This year, Apple has taken durability and elegance even further. The titanium frame introduced in the 15 Pro lineup has been polished and re-engineered, giving the phone an even stronger backbone without adding extra weight. It feels premium yet surprisingly light for its size, and that's a balance most large smartphones struggle with. The bezels are now slimmer than ever, offering a nearly all-screen experience that feels futuristic when you hold it in your hand. The phone is available in new finishes, including a darker, titanium black, that looks sleek under any lighting. Apple has also improved its resistance with IP68 water and dust protection, making it as reliable outdoors as it is stylish indoors. Every detail, from the curved edges to the haptic buttons, feels intentional. Apple continues to show that design is not just about looks but also about the comfort and confidence you feel when you use the device every day. Number 2. The display. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display, the biggest display Apple has ever put in an iPhone, and it is simply stunning. This is Apple's best screen to date, with promotion technology that delivers a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Whether you're scrolling through social media, gaming, or editing video, the fluidity is unmatched. Brightness has been significantly improved too. It can now reach up to 2800 nits peak brightness outdoors, which means you can comfortably use it even under direct sunlight. HDR content looks gorgeous, colors are accurate yet vibrant, and blacks are true and deep thanks to OLED technology. Apple has also included subtle improvements for eye comfort, reducing blue light exposure without distorting color. When you look at this display, it feels less like a phone screen and more like a professional monitor, which makes sense given how many people use their iPhone for content creation. This isn't just a screen, it's a canvas for work, entertainment, and creativity. Number 3. Performance. Powering the iPhone 16 Pro Max is Apple's new A18 Pro chip, built on a cutting-edge 3nm process. This processor is not only the fastest chip in a smartphone, but it also brings unprecedented efficiency. The CPU and GPU improvements mean that gaming runs at console-like quality, with real-time ray tracing delivering lifelike lighting and shadows. For creators, this level of performance allows you to edit 4K ProRes video, handle large photography projects, and run advanced apps with no lag. Apple has also taken AI and machine learning to the next level, with a dedicated neural engine that enhances everything from series responsiveness to photo editing tools in real time. The iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just about raw power, it's about making that power accessible for practical, everyday use. Whether you're gaming, working, or multitasking, the experience feels seamless and future-proof. Number 4. The camera system. Apple knows that the camera is one of the biggest reasons people upgrade, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushes boundaries once again. It features a new 48-megapixel main sensor with larger pixels, allowing for incredible detail and better low-light performance. Night mode has been refined, producing sharper, brighter photos with less noise. The telephoto lens has also received a major upgrade. For the first time, the Pro Max model gets a 5x telephoto zoom that brings you closer to your subject without losing clarity. Portrait mode now uses advanced AI to automatically detect depth, meaning you can adjust focus after the shot, giving you DSLR-like flexibility. Video is where the iPhone truly dominates. You now get 8K recording support, professional-grade stabilization, and cinematic mode with even smoother focus transitions. Apple has also introduced a new AI-based, smart capture, that optimizes exposure and composition automatically, so even casual photographers can capture shots that look professional. If content creation is part of your life, the iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just a tool, it's a game changer. Number 5. Battery life. With a bigger phone comes expectations for endurance, and Apple has delivered. The iPhone 16 Pro Max packs in a larger battery paired with the efficiency of the A18 Pro chip. This results in up to 30 hours of video playback, which is a huge step forward. For day-to-day use, most people will easily get a full day and a half without needing to recharge. Apple has also improved charging technology. You still get MagSafe support and fast wired charging, but now with slightly faster speeds that cut down charging time noticeably. Wireless charging efficiency has improved as well, and with reverse wireless charging finally making its way to the Pro Max, you can top up your AirPods or Apple Watch on the go. This makes the iPhone 16 Pro Max one of the most dependable smartphones on the market when it comes to endurance. Number 6. Software and features. Running on iOS 18, the iPhone 16 Pro Max introduces new levels of personalization and AI integration. Apple has added smart widgets that adapt to your behavior, offering timely information without clutter. Privacy remains at the core, with more control over app permissions and data tracking. A standout addition is the improved Siri, now powered by generative AI, making it far more conversational and context-aware. You can ask it to summarize articles, draft emails, or even handle multi-step tasks across apps. The Action button, introduced in the 15 Pro, has been expanded with even more customizable shortcuts. Apple has also tightened integration with Vision Pro, allowing seamless handoff of apps and media between your iPhone and Apple's headset. iOS 18 feels polished, intelligent, and deeply tied into the Apple ecosystem, making the iPhone 16 Pro Max more than just a device, it's a command center for your digital life. Number 7. Value for money. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is undeniably a premium smartphone with a premium price tag. But value isn't just about cost, it's about what you get in return. With its titanium build, record-breaking display, powerhouse performance, pro-level cameras, extended battery life, and the most secure software ecosystem, the iPhone 16 Pro Max isn't just competing with other smartphones. It's competing with laptops, cameras, and even gaming consoles in certain areas. For those who want the best, it justifies its price by offering a complete package that can replace multiple devices. If you're someone who uses your phone for entertainment, work, creativity, and everything in between, this is one of the best investments you can make. So, what's the verdict? The iPhone 16 Pro Max is not just an upgrade, it's a statement. Apple has pushed the envelope on design, introduced its best display ever, powered it with the fastest chip in any smartphone, and equipped it with cameras that rival professional gear. Add to that longer battery life, smarter software, and a level of polish only Apple can deliver, and you have a device that defines what a flagship should be. It's not cheap, and it's not for everyone, but for those who want the ultimate iPhone experience, the 16 Pro Max delivers in every possible way. This isn't just the biggest iPhone ever, it's the best iPhone ever. That's our full review of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications here at Apple Insider, where we bring you the latest and most detailed tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.